Dame i gospodo, dobro večer. That's about all I can say so far. So, welcome to St. Stephen Serbian Orthodox Church here in the wonderful capital city of Ottawa. We are very pleased and honored to have tonight the Konevjec Quartet straight from St. Petersburg, Russia. They're on tour on the eastern seaboard. They've done Chicago, Detroit, through Toronto. They're stopping over in Ottawa tonight. On Sunday it's Montreal, and then Albany, and then Boston, and I'm not sure where else they're going next, but we're on the map. A couple of things tonight. You'll notice when the concert begins that the quartet is 3 people. This is not a currency conversion problem. This is a visa problem. Apparently, the baritone that normally performs with this group was too young and single to get a Canadian visa. So he's stuck in the United States. But that's okay. They prepared a special program for the Canadian portion of their tour. They've rewritten a lot of music. It's still going to be awesome. So the concert tonight has 2 parts. The first part is sacred music, and the second part is secular music. For the first part, we ask that you please hold your applause to the very end. During intermission, the quartet has CDs for sale in the back. They've got a number of discs, I think 6 or 7 different copies. They will be more than happy to chat and autograph any discs that you wish to purchase. This is, as most of you know, one of the first, actually this is the first musical event celebrating the 800th anniversary of the autocephaly of the Church, of the Serbian Orthodox Church. We have a number of things happening over the course of the next month and a half, culminating with the end of November. So please look for that and announcements and tickets and dates on the email flyer that gets sent out, and any other way that you get your information. So, without further ado, can I please present the Konevjec Quartet?